Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete your Facebook account permanently. Friends, please put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. Please open the Facebook app on your phone and then in the bottom corner, go to the menu section. Then in the top right corner, click on the gear to go to Privacy Settings. And here you will need to go to Meta Account Center. Next is Personal Information. Then click on this option here. Deactivate or delete. Select your Facebook page. Then select Delete Account and continue. Then you will be informed that in parallel with your main account, all your other Facebook accounts or pages will be deleted and inactive. Click Next. Now choose the reason why you would like to delete Facebook. It's not really that important. I choose the first one, for example, that I don't have enough time on Facebook. Click Next. Once again, Next. Now scroll down to the very bottom here. And also click Next. And this page will also tell you, for example, that you can save your posts and your entire archive to your phone. Also that your Messenger messages will be deleted. Also about the fact that you can save your Facebook information, that is, for example, photos, videos, and so on. Now in this step, you'll just need to enter your Facebook password. After you maintain it, click Also Next. And on the next page, on the last page already, you will just need to confirm the fact that you are deleting your Facebook page. So your account will be inactive for 30 days. And at the end of these 30 days, if you don't log back into your Facebook account, it will be deleted forever. Friends, this is the way you can delete your Facebook account permanently. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.